Hello, Nomad Sculpt. Let's sculpt quick hearts. Like the hearts on the picture. Okay, let's go to Nomad Sculpt. This one is a box, like a box, and the others are balloons. Okay, let's create a new scene. Yes. The sphere we don't need. Delete it. We need a plane. In the top view, we can see the plane. Perspective off. And reduce the division, x division, to 1. And validate the object. Check the symmetry. X plane is active, it's okay. And use the move tool. Reduce the radius, make it real small. And use the symmetry on. Now you can move your vertices like this. And in the topology, you can use the multi-resolution. Press subdivide one time. And now it's possible to adjust here the mesh point by point. Like this. And with every subdivision, it gets smoother. You only have to adjust a few points here to, go a few steps back. And let's use this subdivision. And if you want to make a balloon from this point on, you can make a balloon. Duplicate the mesh, make one invisible, and hold the mask button and mask the heart. And in the mask settings, you can extract the shell. The plane we don't need. And with a gizmo, you can scale it here a little bit like this. And now use the multi-resolution and subdivide it one time again. Plop. Now you get a balloon heart. And with the move brush, you can here adjust this point. And when you use a second symmetry plane in combination with a move brush, you can make it a little bit bigger. You can sculpt here a little bit and make the heart a little bit bumpier. I think it's a okay. When you're happy with your heart, you can use again a subdivision and make it a little bit smoother. No, we need a smaller brush. Like this. And you can use a crease brush and here sculpt it a little bit. It's too much. Yes. This at this point it's yours. Okay, this is the balloon heart, and this is the flat heart. Use the mask it, and we need the mask tool. And extract it. Oh, sorry. Go back and use another subdivision, subdivide it one time more, to make it use the move brush. I think now it's okay. Mask it and extract the shell. I think the plane we don't need anymore. And with a gizmo, we can scale it a little bit. Oh, there's a little mistake. Let's correct it a little bit. Yes, I think we yes, now it's relatively okay. There was a mistake in the view. Okay, let's use the cell mask and split the objects. Where's the cell mask tool? Yes, here. Split, none, none, split it. And this mesh we don't need anymore. And now we can mask the whole object and give it a shell of 0.5 and extract the shell. Now we get a box, a hard box perspective, and let's paint it. Okay, I want to play around, subdivide it. Flat subdivision. Now it's a nice box. Wire off. And post-processing on. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.